Happy to be with you today for another Educational Friday. Uh, Before I start, I have an honest question, guys. Let's say it's an honest question. My question is, how many times have you heard about promising crypto projects? Thought it was the next big thing, and then, I don't know, boom, rugged, vanished, or just didn't live up to the hype. I think if not all of us, some of us have been there. That's exactly why today's Education Friday is not just important. From my point of view, it's essential. Today we're handing you the ultimate survival kit for crypto research. Not the generic Dior, let's say, you see on Twitter, but real and actionable strategies to separate facts from fiction and avoid falling for the next overhyped scam. So what do we have in the bag today? First of all, where to actually find credible crypto informations, beyond influencer chills, of course. How to read the white paper without feeling like you're decoding ancient hieroglyphs. And tokenomics, because not every burn mechanism or stake and reward is as good as it sounds. So, this is one, let's say, of those sessions where you either take notes, guys, or you take losses. The decision is yours. So, our usual rules for today. First, keep the mic mute and less speaking. You know the drill already. Drop questions in the chat anytime. We'll get to them. And let's keep it chill, guys. Let's engage more, and the more we engage, the more insights we get. All right. So, since we have a lot to cover today, let's not waste another second. Yusuf, let me share the screen and let the magic begin, all right?
All right, thank you very much, Emin. So first, let me present myself. So for the guys that joined us for the first time, and I'm a crypto and blockchain expert. So I work at Dar Blockchain as software engineer. Yeah, you can. So welcome everyone to a fifth episode of Educational Friday. Today we are diving deep into a topic that every crypto enthusiast, investor, and builder needs to master, which is crypto research. So let me remind you again, the Educational Friday event is a space to learn, connect, and innovate. A huge thanks to Dar Blockchain and the Ashgraph Association for supporting this initiative and creating a space for education, collaboration, and innovation. With that, I want to remind you that Dar Blockchain is offering a free Edera Ashgraph Association certificate supported by Edera Technology, an excellent opportunity for beginners to learn about Web3 and its applications. So a common question I usually get asked, what makes it worth your time? First, by doing this certificate, you will learn the fundamentals. You'll gain a clear understanding of how blockchain and distributed ledger technology work with a focus on Edera-powered solutions. Also, you gain practical knowledge because the course provides insights into real-world use cases, helping you connect the theory to practical applications in industries like finance, gaming, and beyond. You will also be able to enhance your resume because as Web3 continues to grow, having a certificate from a credible organization signals your skills and enthusiasm to decentralized technology. And finally, as I told you before, it's completely free and accessible, making it an inclusive way to explore this cutting edge space without financial barriers. Okay, so I'll drop the link of the certificate in the chat of the stage so that you'll be able to access. So get ready to take notes, ask questions, and level up your crypto research game. Let's dive in. Okay. Next, I mean, okay, so this session is all about empowering you with the tools, strategies, and best practices needed to conduct effective crypto research. By the end of today's session, you will know where to find reliable information, how to analyze tokenomics, how to spot scams, and even how to benefit from airdrops. Our goal is simple: to equip you with the knowledge you need to make smarter, safer, and more confident decisions in the crypto space. So let's start with the first slide. Next. So first, imagine waking up to find that the cryptocurrency that you invested in the last night has vanished. The website is down, the team has disappeared, and your funds are gone. It really sounds like a nightmare, right? Unfortunately, this is a reality for thousands of people who fail to do proper research before investing in crypto. So, in the world of cryptocurrencies, knowledge is power. Unlike traditional finance markets, crypto is decentralized, fast moving, and largely unregulated. This means that while there are incredible opportunities, there are also significant risks. Today, we're going to explore why crypto research is not just important, it's essential for anyone looking to navigate this space safely and successfully. So, first, you need to avoid scams and drug pulls by verifying project legitimacy. So, with thousands of crypto projects launching every year, many of them turn out to be scams. So, by researching projects' white paper, checking the team backgrounds, and reviewing smart contracts audits, you can spot red flags before it's too late. And by the way, just because a token is trending on X doesn't mean that it has a long-term value. Research help you separate hype from reality. So you need to analyze a project's use case, partnerships, and adoption rates, because this will give you a clearer picture of its potential. We all know that the crypto market is highly volatile, and emotions like fear and greed often drive bad decisions. Researching before investing allow you to develop a rational strategy rather than chasing price bumps or panic selling during market crashes or bear markets. You should always diversify and make risk management and long-term planning with your research. Understanding that which assets align with your investment strategy can prevent significant losses and improve your overall portfolio performance. So, as I told you, do your own research and invest wisely. Next. So, in the world of crypto, the information is everywhere, but not all of it is accurate. Misinformation, hype, and outright scams flood social media and news outlet daily. So, where can you find reliable sources and conduct crypto researches? You should first start by reading white papers. So imagine someone hands you a 50-page document filled with complex technical terms, fancy graphs, and bold claims about revolutionizing the blockchain industry. How do you know if it's legitimate or just another overhyped project? So let's define first what's a white paper. So a white paper is one of the most important documents in crypto research. It provides insights into a project's vision, technology, tokenomics, and roadmap. But not all white papers are created equal. Some are full of buzzwords with no real substance. Today we walk you through how to analyze a white paper and roadmap effectively. So let's start with the white paper basics. A strong white paper clearly explains a project's purpose, the problem it solves, and how its technology works. Look for details about its blockchain infrastructure, consensus mechanism, and real-world applications. Tokenomics are also a key, so understanding supply and utility is really important. Check how the tokens are distributed, their total supply, and how they are used within the ecosystem. If a large portion is allocated to the team with no clear vesting schedule, it could indicate a potential dump in the future, and we saw that multiple times. Let's talk about the red flags in the white papers. So first, how to analyze a project's roadmap. A roadmap tells you how realistic a project's goals are. Look for clear time bounds, milestones. If they are really delivering their promises, check past updates and compare the roadmap to what's actually has been achieved. If a project has a roadmap full of grand ideas but no execution, it's a warning sign. So, a well-researched white paper and a realistic roadmap are signs of a good and strong project. But remember, a good-looking white paper doesn't guarantee success. It's just the first step. Always verify the information, track progress, and cross-check with independent sources before making any investment decisions. In crypto, knowledge is power, so read between the lines and make informed choices. Next. So now I have a question for you. Have you ever wondered why cryptocurrencies skyrocket while others fade into obscurity? The answer lies in two crucial factors. First, the tokenomics and market trends. So understanding this can help you separate solid investments from speculative hype. First, let me define what are tokenomics. So tokenomics refers to how a cryptocurrency's economic model is structured, its supply, distribution, and utility. Market trends, on the other hand, tell us how investor sentiment and external factors influence price movements. Today, we'll break down the key aspects of tokenomics and how to track market trends effectively. So first, the total supply of token determines its scarcity. Bitcoin, for example, as we said in our first session, has a max supply of 21 million, making it deflationary, while some tokens have unlimited supply, which can lead to inflation. Always check if a project has a clear and well-managed supply structure. Second, we need to check the distribution. So, who owns the most of the tokens? Project might look great on paper, but if a few wallets control most of the supply, it's a risk. It's at risk of a manipulation. You can check this using blockchain explorers like Etherscan to see how tokens are distributed among holders. So, what is the token used for? Does the token have a real-world function, or it's purely speculative? Strong projects have tokens that power ecosystems, whether it's for governance, payments, or access to decentralized applications. If a token has no clear use case, its long-term sustainability is really questionable. We need also to differentiate inflation versus deflation, so how supply changes over time. Some tokens are inflationary, meaning new coins are constantly being minted, while others like Bitcoin are deflationary with fixed supply caps. Inflationary tokens need strong demand to maintain their value, or else their price could drop to oversupply. We can also talk about the market cap and the volume. So they are indicators of liquidity and interest. A high market cap indicates a well-established project, but trading volume tells us how much actual activity is happening. A token with low trading volume is riskier because it means that there aren't buyers and sellers to maintain liquidity. So finally, let's talk about the trading trends. So using CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and the trading view to stay ahead is a very good idea, especially for price analysis, supply data, and historical trend. So, for example, I mean, if we can go and check CoinMarketCap,
Yes, all right. Just 1 second.
take your time.
Okay.
Meanwhile, guys, if you have some questions in the chat, don't hesitate.
Okay. Okay. So, oh, I get good. Yes.
So yeah, as we can all see, there are multiple narratives in CoinMarketCap. We can see NFTs, memes, Sol, Dot, BNB, USA, AI, real world applications, gaming, Deepin, DeFi. So by narratives, I mean categories. Okay. So if we can click on Bitcoin, I mean the first one. Thanks.
Yes.
So yeah, right here we have the chart of Bitcoin, but at the left we have the market cap, the volume, the fully diluted valuation, the 24-hour volume, and the total supply, and also max supply and circulating supply. So as we said, Bitcoin is a deflationary asset because it has a max supply. I would like to see if anyone here in the audience knows another crypto which is deflationary. Ethereum, yes. So yeah, very interesting question. So Irish asked me, what are some projects that got your attention recently? So yeah, recently some layer ones got my attention, like Sui. So Sui is a new layer one. What I really liked about Sui is the development of its ecosystem.
Nice.
So it's really a groundbreaking layer one blockchain platform designed to support the needs of global adoption by offering a secure, powerful, and scalable development platform. So Sui prioritizes user experience by eliminating barriers commonly associated with blockchain interactions through innovations like ZK login, sponsored transactions, and programmable transaction blocks. Sui creates a higher standard for user experience within Web3 by ensuring application are accessible and user friendly. Yes, of course, Sui has a main token. Yeah, it's called Sui. It's not just a blockchain. Any other questions, guys? Okay. Farouk is saying that XRP is going to the moon. Hold XRP. Okay. Don't give financial advices here, please. Rayo is saying I join you on this, Farouk. Okay. Yeah. Do your own research, always. You heard the news about USA Bitcoin reserve. So yeah, I heard yesterday that Trump launched a US strategic Bitcoin reserve, but I don't have like I don't have exactly the timeline where that will happen and all of that. So I saw that there are news that the Secretary of Treasury and the Secretary of Commerce started developing strategies for acquiring additional government BTC, provided that such strategies are budget neutral and do not impose incremental costs on United States taxpayers. So yeah, let's see in the future what will happen. Show us how you do a research, for example, using these tools for XRP, just for example. Okay, so yeah, we'll do that. I'm new to crypto, so please, what could you advise me to do and what crypto should I buy? Thanks. So yeah, at the end of this session, you will be able to do your own research. Don't worry about that. We'll give you like a full guide how to do research, but we can give a direct advice here. They are saying this Friday. So you mean today? Yeah, I heard that today there is a meeting in the White House about crypto. Anyone want to get on stage and share something? Just click. Yeah, of course. Anyone can join us. Yeah, exactly, Farouk. Trump's crypto summit is today. So, I mean, let's go and type XRP on the search. Someone wants to know how to do research about it. You can go up in the list, yeah. So the third one is XRP. Yeah. You can click directly from there. So yeah. So here we have many informations already about XRP. So the market cap is 145 billion. It's down 4.08% in 24 hours. The trading volume is up 29.91%. The fully diluted valuation is approximately 250 billion. So there is some supply that will go out soon. As we can see, the total supply of XRP is around 100 billion, and the current circulating supply is around 58%. 58 billion, sorry. So there are around 42 billion that will get dumped soon into the market. So yeah, that's it. If we click, you can click on markets next to chart. I mean, I want to show them something. So yeah, here you find all the exchanges where XRP is traded with the volume and the confidence, the 24-hour volume. the depths, etc. So yeah, I think we can go back to the presentation. We'll have some questions later. Okay. So yeah, next slide, please. So as I told you at the beginning, imagine waking up one day and you find that all the cryptocurrency you invested has been completely vanished. So the website is gone, the team is untraceable, and your funds are lost forever. And unfortunately, this happened to many people in the crypto space. Maybe there are some of you that witnessed that. So you can drop us in the chat if you have experienced a crypto scam. We'll read it later. So crypto is full of opportunities, but it's also full of risks. That's what I was saying. So let's go over some of the most common scams and how to protect yourself. If a project is promising guaranteed returns or risk-free investments, that's a major red flag. The crypto market is highly volatile and no legitimate investment can guarantee profits. Always be skeptical and of anything that sounds too perfect. Before investing, check the team behind the project. With that being said, you can go to the website of the crypto project or even their LinkedIn page. So check who are the founders and developers, if they are known publicly or not. Anonymous teams are not really good to invest your money in. Also check how they worked on successful projects or not before. Really avoid projects with anonymous teams and non-verifiable track record. This often end in exit scams. You also need to check smart contracts audits. So a legitimate project will have its smart contract audited by third-party security firms like, for example, Certic, Slowmist, or OpenZeppelin. So if a project has no audit or refuses to publish its findings, proceed with extreme caution with this project. You should also watch out for pump and dump schemes. Some projects experience sudden price spikes only to crash within hours. This is a classic pump and dump scheme where early investors or insiders artificially inflate the price, then sell off their holdings, leaving unsuspecting investors with worthless tokens. Be aware of fake giveaways and phishing attacks. Scammers often impersonate well known figures or companies claiming to give away free crypto. If you're ever asked to send funds in order to double your money, it's a scam. Also, always verify URLs and official links before entering sensitive information. You should always use Blockchain Explorer for verification. So if you want to see if a project is legitimate or not, use blockchain explorers like Etherscan or BSCScan to check token transactions, contract addresses, and ownership distribution. If a handful of wallets own most of the tokens, it's a sign of potential manipulation. The best way to avoid scams is to educate yourself and stay vigilant. Always do your own research, question unrealistic promises, and verify everything before making an investment. Remember, in crypto, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. So stay smart, stay safe, and don't fall for the traps. Next slide, please. In the fast moving world of crypto, the difference between a smart investor and someone who loses money is simple. Effective research. But with so much information out there, where do you even start? Today, we'll go over the best tools and strategies to help you analyze projects, track market trends, and make informed decisions. Relying on social media hype or a single news article isn't enough. To succeed in crypto, you need to use the right tools and develop a structured research strategy. Let's break it down step by step. So first, you need to use trusted crypto data platforms, as we did together earlier with Amin. We checked CoinMarketCap, but you can also check other trusted crypto data platforms such as CoinGecko and TradingView that will provide you real-time data on prices, volume, and market cap. You need to verify on-chain data. So if you want to know what's really happening behind the token, EtherScan and BSCScan let you track wallet transactions, token holders, and contract activity also. If a project has a few wallets holding most of the supply, that's clearly a red flag. For deeper insights, I recommend you to use tools like Glassnode and Nonsen. These tools will help you to track whale movements and overall market sentiment. Check project fundamentals. So beyond price charts, you need to understand a project's real use case. Read its white paper to see its vision, technology and roadmap. Check its tokenomics, how the supply is distributed. A strong project will have clear objectives and active developer contributions. You should follow reputable news sources. Crypto is full of misinformation, especially on social media. So it's important to follow trusted news platforms like CoinDesk, The Block, and Decrypt for accurate updates. Community forums like Reddit and Bitcoin Talk can also provide insights, but always cross check information before leaving the hype. You can also engage with the community. So, crypto communities on Telegram, Discord, and X can be useful for real time discussions. For example, like our community of Dar blockchain. So, we have very solid Discord and Telegram communities. Be careful of the influencers that are usually get paid to promote projects. Always verify credibility and avoid making decisions based on hype. So, as I told you, the best investor don't rely on luck. He uses data, research, and analysis to make informed decisions. By using these tools and strategies, you'll be able to filter out the noise, track real trends, and invest with confidence. Remember, knowledge is your best asset in crypto. So do your own research, use the right tools, and stay ahead of the game. Next slide, please. Now we are going to talk about the airdrops. Okay, so who wouldn't want free crypto? So airdrops sounds really like a dream. Tokens sent straight to your wallet without spending a dime. But here's the catch. While some airdrops are real opportunities, many are scams designed to steal your funds. So how do you find legitimate airdrops and avoid the traps? So first, let's discuss more about airdrops. So airdrops are marketing strategies used by crypto projects to attract new users and reward early adopters. Okay, so some of the biggest names in crypto, like Uniswap or Arbitrum, have rewarded early users with thousands of dollars in free tokens. But for every legitimate airdrop, there are dozens of fake ones preying on unsuspecting investors. So let's break down how to find safe and profitable airdrops. So where can you find this airdrops? Check official project websites, and Discord. So also reputable airdrops are available on tracking platforms like CoinMarketCap, also on community discussions. You can find insights and upcoming opportunities. But how can you spot a scam airdrop? If an airdrop asks you for your private keys or seed phrase, it's a scam. No exceptions. Legitimate airdrops will never require this information. We said that multiple times. You should never reveal your private keys or seed phrase. Okay? So be cautious of if a project asks you to connect your wallet to an unknown website or requires upfront payment to claim rewards. Always verify the project by checking its website, social media activity, and past history. Now, how can you maximize airdrop rewards? Biggest airdrop rewards often go to the users who actively engage with the project before the token is launched. This means participating in testnets, using DeFi platforms, and contributing to DAO governance. Many layer 2 networks, DeFi protocols, and NFT projects reward early users with valuable tokens. So staying engaged in promising ecosystems can lead to future airdrops. So airdrops can be an amazing way to earn free crypto, but only if you do your research. Stick to trusted sources, never share sensitive information, and be proactive in blockchain community. Remember, if an airdrop looks too good to be true, it probably is. So yeah, let's move on to the next slide. To finish, I really suggest you to do more research after this session on the three following topics. So first, tokenomics and market trends that we've covered. Also the tools and strategies for effective research. You can use one of the platforms I mentioned, such as Etherscan, BSC Scan, or Glassnode. Finally, you can do more research about airdrops and where you'll be able to find legitimate airdrops. So we've covered a lot today, from understanding how to research crypto projects, spotting scams, analyzing tokenomics, and even finding legitimate airdrops. What's the key takeaway of this session? It's knowledge, of course. So knowledge is your best defense in the crypto space. The more effort you put into research, the better decision you will make, and the more confident you will be in navigating this fast moving industry. Before you invest in anything, always ask yourself, have I done my research? Now it's your turn to take what you've learned today and apply it. Stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay safe in crypto. So it would be great if I can have a look on the chat and see if there are other questions. So yeah, Ali is saying market didn't react positively though for a long-awaited, very hyped decision. It's a bit weird. No, So you, I assume you mean total value locked, revenue, and volume. You mean less sales. So for the TVL, I recommend DeFi Llama. I'll drop the link few seconds here. Can you give us the sites where to check? Yeah, I'll drop them in the chat, and also I will send, as usual, a recap message in our community where I'll sum up the whole session, and of course I'll provide the valuable links. DeFi Llama or Token Terminal, use that to analyze those token metrics. Yeah, absolutely, Crazy Phonics. Thank you very much. So if we can have more questions, or even if someone wants to jump on stage. Okay, so I asked the very interesting question during my presentation. I want to know if any one of you have experienced a crypto scam before. So if yes, if you can share his experience so that other people can be aware of that and don't do the same mistakes that he did. Meanwhile, I'll send you the links.
Guys, if anyone wants to get up on stage to share his story,
Absolutely.
the
Story time.
stage is yours. Yes.
Okay, Yusra, I just sent you the link of DeFi Llama. So it's a DeFi TVL aggregator. Okay, we already have a question. So yes, because of airdrops, I connected my Phantom wallet and lost 4 souls. Oh, I feel sorry for you, Adali. Yeah. That's why in the airdrop section, we said something really important, which is never connect your wallet to an unknown website. You can easily get your wallet drained and your funds will get lost forever. Sorry for you, mate. Okay, Urid bot airdrop. Urid bot airdrop was actually not a scam, it was just a waste of time. So let's say it was a fake airdrop. Yeah, I remember this airdrop actually. Because Yusuf will get them to you. Yeah, hopefully you have learned the lesson, and I think I'm sure that you have done more research about security and how to prevent yourself from those types of bad situations. How can this happen? Just by connecting your wallet to a website. I thought every transaction has to be manually approved to occur. So yes, sometimes there are websites that develop a wallet drainer, so that when you connect your wallet, your funds get immediately dropped, so you get left with nothing. I'll send you also reports about wallet drainers and all that, so that you be aware of this danger. Okay. What do you think about Binance? Yeah, Binance is a centralized exchange, so even after FTX collapsed, it has held well. Also, even when their CEO got arrested, they had millions of withdrawals, but the company didn't collapse. But that's it. I think they are very strong crypto exchange. 2 years ago, I got scammed. My bro connected my Solana wallet to a fake NFT minting website he found on Discord chat, and yeah, our wallet was drained. So yeah, this is what wallet drainers mean. I'm sorry for you. And you should send the record video of the session to your brother to remind him about this experience. Zainab said, I lost some souls to them. Okay. Maybe you can join us on stage if you want, Zainab, and tell us more how it happened. Iyash Lajwa said, I never got scammed, too poor to buy any funds in the first place. At least you'll never get scammed after this crypto session, so I gave you a lot of tips to never get scammed. So can say it's good that you're still poor until now. Invite him next week. Yeah. Just kidding, I'm just lucky. Nidal is saying I'll make sure he attends. Yeah. You can also send the YouTube link of our channel. So I think the recording will get of the session will get uploaded tomorrow. So Zainab was just joking. She didn't lose anything. She was just kidding. Yeah. Well, you're getting rich next Friday. Yeah, he will get rich with the knowledge that we will provide in the next Educational Friday, hopefully. Okay, anyone wants to join, guys, on the stage, maybe to share his experience or even crypto research tools he uses on daily basis to make his crypto research. Yusra said, same, that's why we are learning here before getting scammed with knowledge. Yeah, absolutely. That's the best thing to do. Should learn a lot before integrating the crypto space. I lost access to my ICP identify after I formatted my phone. Oh. I feel sorry for you, Droid. That's really tough. No worries, I only staked one ICP that was given to me for free when I visited their office. Okay. Let's see if we can get another question. Okay, guys, so it's been already 1 hour. I'm not seeing any more questions, so I want to thank you once again for joining this session. So now your task is to do more research and see you on a new in a new Educational Friday episode, hopefully next week. So thank you very much once again. I mean, if you want to add something, maybe.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, Yusuf. Thank you, everyone. And just like that, guys, we've reached the end of another solid session of our Educational Friday, guys. If there is one thing to take away from today, I think is this encrypto knowledge isn't just power, it's survival, I think. The difference between making smart moves and getting played, it's all in the research. You now know where to look, how to read between the lines, and most importantly, how to avoid the traps that so many fall into, as we saw earlier. Use this, apply it, and share it. This knowledge is for free, like today, tomorrow. Who knows? Because Web3 isn't built by people who follow blindly, it's built by those who understand and question, like what we're doing every Friday in through those session, guys. So thank you so much. Thank you for the energy. Thank you for your presence, your vibe, and all. And like, see you next Friday, guys. See you next Friday. Thank you.